y'all, it's Betsy, and today we have a fun video. We're going to be testing out and giving our first impressions over the Pat McGrath Labs Crimson Couture Lip Kit. So this is the packaging that it comes in. Isn't that absolutely stunning? And then when you open it up, so you've got it where it flips in like this, and then you open her up and she looks like that, which mine's kind of coming out, but it's okay. So you get a lip pencil. See if I can pop this baby out without messing everything up. That is in there good, so I don't think I have to worry about that being broken, do we? And I own several Pat McGrath lip pencils. I don't own any red ones. And then we have the lipstick, which again, I own a lot. This kit retails for $55. I ordered this on release day, so was that Friday? And today is Thursday, so it took 4 days to get here. A little longer than normal, but not bad. So, the shade in the lip pencil is Bloodlust. So, that's what that looks like. So, it's just a beautiful red shade with a little bit of a pink undertone. And then the lipstick that is with it is Elson 3, which looks like this. So this is in the matte trance formula. So as you can see, they're a pretty good match for each other. And I will compare it to another one of the Pat McGrath reds. I have Elson. I don't have Elson 2, but I do have Elson. So you can look and see that the original Elson, I really like this shade. It's one of my favorite reds. Is more of like that blue toned, deeper red. And Elson 3 has a little bit more of that orangey base whenever you look at them next to each other. So we're gonna start by lining our lips. I do enjoy Pat McGrath's lip pencil formula. Sometimes when you have a sharpenable pencil, it can be a little dry. But I don't find that with Pat McGrath's formula. So there we go. And a lot of times her lippies, you can buy them individually and they run for the regular packaging, typically $38. Sometimes they're on sale. And then if they're in like the special pave packaging, they're $48. So as you can see, this is the one, this is from the Christmas set. So it's in the pave. And then this one has the regular heart. A lot of her lippies have the lips on them. And even though this is a matte finish lipstick, it is a creamy matte. So it is nice and comfortable on the lips. So there is what it looks like on my skin tone, which I am a true medium finish. My perfect shade match in foundation is the Beauty Blender foundation, which is the shade 0.355 Neutral Olive is my perfect shade match. Gucci, I am in 2500. So that should kind of tell you my undertone. But I really like this color. I typically don't go for more like orangey tone reds, but I really like this. I think it looks gorgeous. What do you think? And my friend Ash with Dr. Ash and her makeup, my friend Yachty. And I'm not sure if Kara has her video up yet from Beauty and the Frez, but they also all have videos on this lip kit, so you can check them out. I'll try to remember to link them in the description box. So you can check them out so you can see this lip kit on different skin tones. But yeah, I mean, it feels just like all the other Pat McGrath lippies. And look how nice and white my teeth look. But not too white. Y'all know how I feel about uber white teeth. But yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button right down below. And if you hit the notification bell icon next to it, that will notify you when I post new videos, which is typically every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But I throw in some bonus content like this in every once in a while. But I guess that's it, so we'll see y'all later. Bye.